Connect the VGA or HDMI cable from the screen to the DVR. Connect the mouse to the DVR USB port. Connect the network cable to the DVR. Connect the network cable directly to the router port. Connect the BNC and energy cable to the camera using the connector labeled as 2 camera side only. Connect the BNC cable to the DVR using the connector labeled as 2 DVR side only. Connect the energy cable to the power splitter. Connect the DVR to the energy using one of the connectors of the power splitter. Connect the power adapter into the wall outlet. Note: make sure all the cameras and cables are properly connected before energizing the system. After turning on the DVR, right-click with the mouse to enter the DVR's main menu with the username, admin by default, and password, leaving it blank by default. Then, on the main menu, go to Network Settings. Verify that the DHCP option is activated, then press OK. Download and execute the Logan Live app. Press on Register to create a new account and fill the required fields, or press Local to start using the app. Then go to Device Manager and press the plus icon to add your device. In the main menu, select Live Preview, where you will find a camera icon in the top right corner. You will see a list with the added devices. Press the check icon located to the right side of the device name. Then press Start Live View at the bottom of the screen and you will see your cameras. Once the connection is set up, you can start watching your work from anywhere at any time.